Happy day today. We are all celebrating 79th Independence Day. You are very colorful, beautiful like angels. Dear students, we have come to know that every person in the world is born free. Freedom is the birthright of everyone. Here in India, in those days we struggled a lot under foreign rule. We were occupied by many, mainly here, English people, French people, Dutch people, Portuguese, Mughals, all ruled our country. So in those days, we had servitude. We were in slavery like bondage. We did not like that. Our freedom fighters, you know the names of them. Mahatma Gandhi played vital role. Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, great personalities. Tantiya Tope, before that Rani Rudrama Devi, before that many freedom fighters. You know the first freedom fighters were tribal people. Surprising thing. Tilak Manje, Birsa Munda, great person Birsa Munda. You know Alluri Sitaram Raju with the tribal people rose against British government. They succeeded up to some extent only because they followed violence. They thought might was right. Later mass was right. Then they came to know non-violence was right under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi still is with us in our hearts. See here, one day is insufficient to praise and tell about him. Such kind of great history, epoch-making person he was. Under his leadership in third phase, we got freedom, August 15, 1947. My dear students, they sacrificed all their life for the sake of us. They had aspirations. They wanted to see India with great development. It is in the hands of you. We are doing our level best. You, with the help of education, we have to make our India number one in the world. Nowadays, besides nationalism, we should have internationalism. If you want to make our India great, you should have this policy, this strategy, internationalism. Go with the people. Have always happiness in your work. Work is worship. Whatever you want to achieve, that can be done when you work for it. For example, we have adored this entire premises. How? With the help of work. See, students, work is very important. Always we have to avoid superstitions. Have scientific temper. Education plays vital role in order to make our country the richest country in the world. What is now richest country? Luxembourg. India should be next. So that can be in the hands of you. You have to think meticulously and work industriously. Always have spiritualism as well as a scientific temper. Spiritualism is for your soul. Scientific temper is for development. Whatever is going around you, you should think logically. You should know the reasoning. With the help of it, technology comes. See, technology will give you everything. Students, what I want to particularly tell you, hard work wins with intelligence. Nowadays, smart work. I told you, people thought in those days might was right. Later, mass means people, group of people could do anything. Later machines they thought great. Then some people thought money. No, mind. Mind is powerful. With the help of education, you can bring and achieve whatever you desire. That is important. Education, education, education. My dear students, our India is going to be a developed country, but no satisfaction. Why? Because rich people are less, means less people have more money, more people have less money. This is not correct. It is leading to poverty. You have to find a good way to make everybody rich. So for that, hard work, thinking, scientific temper, education, all should go together. Then you can achieve whatever you want to do. Follow your parents, follow your teachers, follow your freedom fighters who had aspirations. In course of time, I have full faith, confidence in you that you will all become appreciable people in the society. Thank you very much.